Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you've been using WhatsApp on your PC, you know how handy it is for staying connected. But with the new update, there's a super simple way to forward those received links you've saved. No more digging through endless chats. Whether it's articles, videos, or quick shares, this feature saves tons of time. Stick around and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, fire up the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's updated to grab the latest features. Once it's open, look to the left side menu. That vertical bar on the edge of your screen. Spot the media icon. It looks like a little image or gallery symbol. Give it a click. This opens up your media gallery, but today we're heading to the links section. Scroll or select links from the options there. Boom, you'll see all the links you've received organized neatly. No more scrolling forever to find that one URL from last week. Now, at the top of this links window, you'll notice a sort icon usually looks like arrows or a filter. Tap that and from the drop-down, pick others. This sorts your links smartly, grouping the miscellaneous ones together so you can find exactly what you need fast. Next, right at the top again, hit the select icon. It might look like a checkbox or selection tool. Now you can tap on individual links or even select multiple ones at once. Highlight all the ones you want to forward. Once they are selected, the forward icon pops up off in an arrow pointing right. Click it. A chat list will slide in. Scroll through your contacts, groups, or recent chats, pick your recipients, and hit send. That's it. Your links are forwarded in seconds, keeping everything organized and efficient. This new update makes WhatsApp on PC even better for power users. Try it out next time you need to reshare those handy links. If you run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. I read them all. Like, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell. Catch you in the next one.